When starting your own poultry farm, there are so many people that will tell you to get feeders. In fact, this is one of the things, this is one of the equipment you need to get. But note, when getting equipment, get the one that is of long lasting. Alright, so if you get the one of long lasting, it will serve you more. What am I trying to say? This feeder you are saying is a poultry feeder, and you can use this feeder up to 5 years and it won't spoil, or it won't have any kind of leakage. But if you go and buy all these aluminium, all this iron, very soon you will see that it start rusting, and in fact it can even cause harm to your little fish and to your little chicks. So the best thing is to go for this one when they start developing. So I will show you how you can couple this thing to this level. And if you want something like this, you can also place order, and it will be shipped to you in 2 working days. So this is how the everything will come in. You have this, you have this, and you also have this, and this, all these accessories, you see there. So all those things, and it will be of 5 pieces per feeder. So let's keep this aside. So look at this now. This is what you need to concentrate your mind on. This thing. So you chook this into this place, and before that you need to roll this thing up here. So you chook this thing here, and it will be like this. Then you will now find another one to get this one, and chook it here too. So it will be of this form. Then turn it down. Or before that, you need to do one more thing. You need to get this, 2 of it. 1, 2. This one will be at this side, like this. Then you screw it. After I screw it to this level, you bring this one. You know this one was like this. So this one will not be like this. So it's to couple it well. Okay, that is ready. So another thing you need to do is to put this one inside there. Then you turn it down the same way you did inside of it. So this one will come first at this position. You can see. So the last one will also come here too. So start like this. So this is the last one inside, and yeah, you have this kind of feeder. So this one is the one I use in my farm. So you can place order on this type of feeder. All right. Thank you. And this one is more durable. This could last for over 5 years. But if you go and buy the aluminium one, before you know, if broiler chicken climb on it, it will just separate from each other. But this will not separate, despite even though they sit on it, even though they climb on it, any one of them. But this one won't separate. So you can place your order on Sirah farm from Sirah from about this type of feeder, and we also sell more other things like pellet machine and mixer, grinder, anyone you want. So you can get it from Sirah Farm. Alright, thank you.